Earlier this week, we did work on a BMW X5. They had aftermarket TSW wheels, and the one that was in question had already been repaired previously, not by our shop. The process of fixing it involved cutting pretty much the entire repair, so it had a crack repair with a lot of extra aluminum welded into it, but the area where it needed to hold air, where the tire had to seal, the area that needed to be smooth was not smooth. While we were measuring it, we noticed it had a dip in it that was around 50 thousandths, just in an area about this big. So to fix it, I had to cut all the old weld out, so I left a channel in the wheel about this big, and then I had to also add material to that low spot, and then re-weld everything in on both sides, and then grind it all smooth and nice, and then go and double check everything. It probably took an extra hour that maybe it wouldn't have needed to take if they had just brought it here from the get-go.